गोवा वाले बीच पे I'm good. Hi Raj, thank you. I am good, thank you. All right. You all must be wondering why I'm suddenly live. I'm here. Hi Mrunal, how are you, sweetie? Okay, so the reason I am live is, without even letting you guys know, is to thank you, first of all, for all the love you keep showering on me. Immense love, crazy love, itna love कि मैं अब संभाल भी नहीं पा रही हूँ. Of course, I want to thank you for that. I put up something in my story earlier, just to let you guys know that the gifts which you've sent on my birthday, I received some of them, I guess a lot of them yesterday. And it was crazy. So many gifts, so many handwritten cards, hand-painted stuff. It's crazy. It's overwhelming. हिंदी ओके बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग है. बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी होती है द वे यू गाइज लव मी एंड जिस तरह से आप लोग मुझ पर इतना सारा प्यार बरसाते हैं. मैं आई थिंक आई एम पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री सिंस 12 years नाउ. और 12 साल में, be it my birthday or any occasion, whether I've hit 1 million on Instagram or on any other social media platform, y'all don't forget, or y'all always make it a point that you celebrate it. You send me cards, you send me gifts, you send me flowers, cakes and whatnot. I've always appreciated. And I'm still appreciating क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि I think when I have a look at it, just look, just have a look at this. Just have a look at this. Just have a look at this. It's क्या बोलूँ मैं आपको? I am y'all really make me speechless. I just don't know what to say. इतना प्यार. पर उसके साथ साथ the reason I've come live, the main reason is this as well, that I really want to thank you for what you do for me. Roman. I can't. That's the problem. It's all personalized with my pictures, my achievements written, personalized notes on it. So I really can't do that. But it's overwhelming. But at the same time, the reason I'm live is that I really want to request you guys, all you Hinaholics, my fans, okay, let me just with folded hands see this, because I don't have space, guys. I don't have space. I really mean it. I don't have space. मैं हाथ जोड़कर आप सबसे बोल रही हूँ कि please stop sending me stuff. I don't have space to keep it now. As I mentioned, 12 साल में मेरे 12 birthdays तो आए ही हैं. उसके अलावा a small milestone also, even if I'm awarded somewhere, or if I, as I mentioned, I hit 1 million, or it's a social media achievement, or my song is a hit, or any project, any new project, y'all make sure that y'all send me stuff, cards, gifts, this, that, personalized cards. And I've always appreciated, and I've always told you guys that please, 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 मेरे लिए आप सब लोगों का प्यार is, sorry, मेरे लिए आप सब लोगों का प्यार is enough. I don't want y'all to go through this. मुझे पता है आप लोग प्यार से करते हैं, इतनी मेहनत करते हैं. I think y'all take a year, जिस हिसाब से I'm going to show you some stuff. I'll show you all these humongous cards you've sent me. I think 1 साल तो लगता होगा आप लोगों को ये बनाने में. और कितनी मेहनत. I have no words. I'm speechless. And y'all make sure कि मैं speechless हो जाऊँ. पर अब मेरे पास जगह नहीं है, guys. I'm really short of space now. There's so much stuff which has come yesterday. Where do I keep it? I really, really appreciate your love, guys. आपका प्यार is enough for me, but this live is specially I've come live to tell you guys that I don't have space. And with folded hands, I'm telling you guys कि please stop sending me stuff. Whether it's my birthday or any small, big, छोटा, जो भी achievement, whatever, please stop sending me stuff. Please. आप बस मुझे अपना प्यार दीजिए. सोशल मीडिया पे आप मेरे बारे में लिखते हैं, आप ट्वीट करते हैं, कभी कभार मैं आपको वापस बर्थडे विश कर देती हूँ. That is more than enough. And I know you guys are there. So, not this. I know there is a lot. There some fans from the team Hinaholics, they kind of do stuff. They some of them plant trees, or some of them help the needy, and do a lot of stuff, educate people, and do a lot of stuff. Like I have the certificates, and I make sure that I kind of share them in my story. If you want, I'll create a highlight for you guys where all whatever my fans do for me on my birthday or any special day, I'll put it there, guys. It's going to be there on my feed. Let's do that instead. It's just a suggestion. I'm nobody. I mean, y'all decide what you gift when you gift someone. I'm no one to do that, but it's just a suggestion from my side. Instead of this, जो आप करते आए हैं और मैंने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया है, बट क्योंकि इतने सारे फोटोग्राफ्स, my dad's pictures, my mom's pictures, my family pictures, me, my achievements, like I have to keep it with me forever. Like it's so precious and special to me. But now I'm really short of space. I don't have space. 12 साल में आपने मुझे इतना कुछ भेजा है that I have no place to keep stuff now, guys. So please, if you want to do something for me, this is just a suggestion. I am no one to tell you. मेरी तरफ से सिर्फ एक request है with folded hands. If you really want to do something for me, please stop sending me gifts on my birthday, on any other occasion. Just do some social work probably. I mean, plant some trees, send me the certificates. I'm going to put them up. And I would really feel happy if you do that. Help the needy. And do whatever possible you can. So if you do that, I will feel happy, equally happy. I think इससे भी मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है. Can't even express how happy I feel when I, unbox all the gifts and I see these handwritten notes, cards. पर अब मेरे पास जगह नहीं है. Please, I request you, मुझे ये सब मत भेजिए, please. I'm gonna share some with you. Just tell me, where do I keep it? Just see this. I'm gonna reverse this camera. Just see. Oh my god. Just see the mehnat y'all do. My goodness. There's so much stuff here. Just have a look at this. All this is really, really nice. Very, very sweet. Very, very sweet. Just see this. Oh my God. Some crazy love. कितना वक्त लेते हैं आप ये सब बनाने में. And उसके बाद all the photo frames I have here. Just see this. This is with my brother. And a lot of other stuff. Just have a look at all of this. I don't know. I just don't know what to do with it. This is... So, did you guys understand that how difficult it is for me to keep all of this stuff? I really, really appreciate the love, guys, but I am really short of space now. I don't have space to keep stuff. Please. मैं हाथ जोड़कर आप लोगों से बोल रही हूँ. Please, 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 if you really want to do something for me, I will be equally happy if you probably plant some trees, help the needy, and do whatever social work you want to do. Not that I don't appreciate your effort. This is crazy. This is so much of effort and I really appreciate it. But अब मेरे पास जगह नहीं है रखने की. I'm telling you, 12 years, you all have celebrated my every occasion, my every achievement. And I have so much stuff जो मैं सिर्फ अपने पास रख सकती हूँ क्योंकि वो इतने प्यार से आप लोगों ने बनाया है. जैसे कि आपने देखा, ऐसी कितने सारे हैंडमेड कार्ड्स और क्या क्या है मेरे पास फ्रॉम द पास्ट 12 years. प्लीज मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि आप बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट ऑल योर एफर्ट्स, बट प्लीज 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 डोंट सेंड मी ऑल ऑफ दिस. प्लीज y'all just write on Twitter or anywhere on social media that you love me. That is more than enough. Even if you don't want to do anything else, just your love is enough for me. That's it. So I really, really request you guys. I hope you take it seriously because I am मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट भी कर रही हूँ लेकिन थोड़ा सा सीरियस भी हूँ. On a serious note too, I am telling you guys that I don't have space to keep stuff. So I hope you understand, and I really, really appreciate all your efforts, all your love. It's so overwhelming, and it really means it's I'm so touched. It's so close to my heart. Whatever you send, every little detail I notice. But now I'm short of space, so hope you understand. I'm really sorry if I've hurt you, your sentiments, your emotions. I really did not mean that. मैं बस आपसे मैं जो फील कर रही हूँ वो शेयर करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. And I really hope Hinaholics are really, really smart, understanding, and they've always been there for me. And I hope you guys understand, all you Hinaholics, that all I need is your love. Sorry. Really sorry if I've hurt any one of you. I really appreciate the efforts. I'm really sorry if I've hurt any one of you. I did not mean that. All I want you to know is what I am going through and what I feel like and what I want.